Hello friend, welcome. In this video, let's try to use Python to calculate pi, okay? So it's based on this formula. So like pi equals, right? 1, no, 4 over 1 minus 4 over 3 plus 4 over 5 minus 4 over 7 plus 4 over 9 minus 4 over 11 plus dot dot dot. Okay, so how can we do that? Let's use a for loop, okay? For and I in range, let's give you a range like 10. Let's start from here. How can we accumulate that thing? We need a subtotal, right? So like, yeah, let's use p for the pi equals 0. Then okay, so what is this one and that one and that one? So for I is 0, this is plus equal 4 divided by, here is the normal way to make a odd number is like 2i plus 1, right? 2i plus 1. Now we need to handle the sign. So when I is odd, it's negative. When I is even, is positive. So maybe we can do something like that. We can put the sign in front here. So maybe this is one of the solution, right? This powered by I, yeah, to the power of I. Can we do that? Let's give it a try. Okay, so here we can print out the p. Shift enter. What is that? Oh, it's a fraction. It is a fraction. How can we make it? How can we? Oh, I know, because this might be the sage. The sage is default behavior. So if we switch to Python, let's evaluate again. Shift enter. What? Range. For that and float. Unsupported operand for this. Oh, so I is integer. So how can we handle that? This integer. So can we do that? It's so let's try it. No. So So yeah, but I have a better idea. We don't need to do this. Actually, it's not efficient. We can simply put a ternary here, or we can just do a sine here, right? Like sine equals sine equals if if I is even, right, then is positive 1, else is negative 1. And we can put the sign here. Go to that. What? Invalid syntax. Do I need a parenthesis here? Try it again. No. If, then okay, so I have to Google it. It's Python ternary here. I forgot how to do that. Let's find our Stack Overflow here. Wow, so many upvotes. Okay. It's like that. If condition is in the middle. Oh my god, there's no len, so condition is in the middle. 1. Okay, cool. So Python here is the true, the value for true, and the condition in the middle, else. Wow, I can never memorize that, remember that. So now let's increase this to 100. Yeah, it's getting better. 1000. Cool, right? And what about 10,000? Nice. So there's another way to calculate it. We can group this one together, so we don't need to handle the sign thing. Let's put it, so here we can say calculate 1, right? Can we do that? Let's see. Calculate 1, right? Okay, great. So let's do calculate 2 here. Same for in range. Let's start from small. If we using this group, then it's easier. Like, oh, we need to reset the p, right? And p increased by now 4 times here is same thing, right? 4 times, yeah, let's use the similar structure. 2 times I plus 1, right, minus 4 divided by 2 times I minus plus 3, right? That's this group. Oh, so we needed to increase. How can we define the step I for that? So we need the next one I in that. So the next one I need to step by 2. Okay, so let's Google it. Python for loop step length, right? Step size, okay? Answer Python 2 range x Python 3. Okay, so 0 to that. So here this is the step. Okay, range or x range. Let's try this one. So range, of course we start from 0 and 2 like that. So we'll print out calculation 2, right? String, change the integer to string. Okay, let's try it. Shift enter. It's promising. Okay, now 100. It's getting closer and closer. 1000. Yes. 10,000. Ta-da! That's it. So we implement 2 different ways to implement this formula. Okay, and thank you for watching. See you next time.